guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya Gonzalez, aka Kiss and Makeup 0514 here on YouTube, and I want to say welcome to my channel and welcome to the video. If you have not subscribed to me, please don't forget to subscribe right down below, that red subscribe button there, and also don't forget to hit that little notification bell. That's going to allow you guys to see every time I upload a new video. So let's just get started with this video. So today's video is going to be on the all new Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio Palettes. There are 16 in this collection that they just launched, and I have all 16 right here for you guys, which I will be swatching, and of course I will be doing a look with the shadows. So I'm going to show you guys up close how the palettes look, and this is the Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio Palette. This one is called Snap Queen. So these are 3 perfectly coordinated shades you can use to create complete looks in a snap, and they are their mini eye palettes. They come in a range of wearable neutrals, curated color combinations, and finishes. The super blendable, richly pigmented formulas include step-by-step how-to-dos under each compact for easy application. They are meant to look like little camera lenses as well. I have all the shades here for you guys, so I'm going to show you guys these up close, and we are going to talk about the names, and I'm also going to be swatching them on the back of my hands. So they have cool shades, they also have some nice neutral shades, and then they have warm tones as well. I like the fact that they came out with 16 of these because there's a shade range for everybody. Some people like warm colors like myself. Some people like gravitate to more neutral. Some people gravitate to more cool shades. So I like that they came out with these, and I feel like you can do a bunch of looks. I know it's only 3 shades in a palette, but I feel like you can do a daytime look, you can do a nighttime look with this. And I really feel like they made these for people who want to do quick and easy eyeshadow looks without it being too complicated. So I really like that idea, and I like the idea that they look like camera lenses as well. Wait until you guys hear the names of these. They're so cute. So a few of the names I'm just gonna ramble off to you guys is On Location, Holy Crop, Nudie Pic Medium, Double Tap, It's Fire, which you guys know probably this is my favorite one, and then also Tag Me. So those are some of the palette names, which are super cute. So I'll be showing you guys up close how each shade looks.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above our town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain hidden in your smile. I can finally see you now.
This palette right here, and this is called Nudie Pic, and this is in Deep. I'm just going to take this shade right here and put it in my crease. Now I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to pop that into the crease as well.
I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now.
So I think I'm going to go in with the halo eye, and I want to take this chocolatey brown shade right here, and I'm just taking my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm going to put that on my outer and inner corner as well. gonna go back in with this shade right here and just buff that right on the crease. And then for my spotlight eye, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this NYX Jumbo Milk pencil and a little bit on my finger there and place it on the middle of the eye. That way, whatever shadow I put there is gonna pop. So then I'm gonna take goals, and I am going to take this shade right here, and I'm gonna take it with my finger and just place that on the inner lid. Not the inner lid, on the middle of the lid. So now I'm just gonna take my Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner pen, and I'm just gonna wing out my liner. So before I throw on my lashes, I'm gonna go back in with this dark shade right here, and I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash. And I'm also gonna put this shade as well, but first it's gonna be this one. Eyeshadow look. I really love these eyeshadows just because I feel like you can do so many looks with them, and they're really travel friendly and easy, and they're so compact. The retail value is $22. Not sure if I told you guys that before, but that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. You guys know the deal, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.